Alright, well, really wish I was not making this video. Probably the most expensive Starbucks coffee I've ever ordered. Yeah. I broke my splitter today. Curb 1, splitter 0. So, yeah. Hopefully I can get the bumper back. That kind of sucks. Yeah, all the end plates. Let's see if you guys can see that. Looks like my professional awesome bracket is super toast. This side held up okay, I think. We'll see when I get it off.
Dang, man. I told you I didn't like you driving around with that thing. I know it's not the reason why it happened, but
Yeah.
I told you! Damn, you got that really good.
Yeah, I know. But it's just literally right on the edge. Right on the edge. Like. Alright, so I pulled the splitter blade outside of my garage just to show off the damage because I literally hit it right on the freaking edge of the splitter. So I might change the design a little bit for the second one, but let's see what it looks like. So, literally right on the edge of the curb of that drive-thru. Sucks to suck, dude. But yeah, it did a whole lot of damage. So I guess because it was a lateral load, it just pushed this to the side and ripped it out instead of, you know, it's probably designed for just like a, oops, I suck at taking videos. It's probably just designed for like forward, backward motion, not side to side. So, yeah, at least it didn't take out, you know, my radiator or bumper or anything. Oh, look at that. Literally bent that steel bracket there. I think these were probably overkill. The splitter weighed about 30 pounds with everything installed. So, yeah, I think that steel is a little overkill. I might make this, hold on. So this is about an 1.5 inches thick, a little less, but it's 3 sheets of 1/2 inch birch plywood from Home Depot. Yeah, a little heavier than I wanted it to be, but it worked really well, so I'm definitely going to make another one. Paint job sucked. We're going to definitely do a better job on the paint. Yeah, this is done. Not even gonna try with that. hey, at least my tire spat survived. Right here, that little guy.